those little gems. So this is the Revue CX10. It's extremely lightweight and extremely compact. Nearly no features, but great for a beginner, for somebody who is getting into Super 8 right now. As you can see, nearly no scratches. The camera is literally like brand new. So let's test it out. You need to open the lid down here. As you can see, clean battery compartment. There are signs you need to follow here, so that would be a plus and a minus. Please make sure that the batteries are in the correct way before getting in touch with us, because usually this is the case. People say the camera is not working, then we check the batteries, and actually the camera is perfectly working, but the batteries are not in the correct way. So please do follow the instructions. So batteries in, light illuminates, camera works, lock button, shoot, and then you can lock it so you can't press it. Incredibly simple. Battery tester works perfectly. Sorry, this was a message from myself to myself. So let's test the camera out. This is the expired cartridge, Super 8 cartridge. We mark the cartridge. Expired cartridge is much harder to spin than brand new ones. So if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one. As you can see, mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid, shoot for several seconds. And let's see what the result is. As you can see, no mark there anymore and perfectly straight film, which means that the motor and the film gate work together very well. The camera is in outstanding condition, light meter works great, it's a fixed lens so there is no zoom, light meter works great, motor works great, extremely compact, and look at that, nearly no scratches. This is like 56 years old camera and it's in just incredible condition. So if you're gonna be the new owner, please take good care of it. And listen, let's keep Super 8 alive. Thank you for your time.